Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to enable the secure boot on Windows 11 or even 10 if you are want to install the Windows 11 on your system, or if you are using the game that is needed the secure boot to be enabled. So how to enable it? So first of all, you need to open the system information and secure boot. You can see here my secure boot is off here. If your secure boot is off here also, so I will show you how to enable it. And also you can see here BIOS mode is UEFI. If you have the legacy mode, so you have to press simply your BIOS key. Otherwise, just if you have the same BIOS option UEFI, just click on your settings, then go to settings here, then you can go here system, and under the system just open the recovery options and simply restart your window in advanced mode. Just restart it. You can additionally press shift on your keyboard and simply restart it. Let me show you as well. Just click on troubleshoot here, then click on advanced options. Simply click on UEFI firmware settings and restart your Windows, and it will directly go to the BIOS option. Now this is the BIOS option. If you have not UEFI on your Windows, so you need to press the bootable key once you restart your Windows, not a bootable BIOS key. Like this, once the window loads, you need to press, and once you press properly, you should able to get your BIOS option, BIOS setup. Now you need to go to the security options here. In most of the Windows, you will get the secure boot inside the security options. Just need to look for the security options and look for the secure boot there. And if you are able to see that, just you need to turn it on. If it is off like this, just you need to turn it on. In my laptop, the secure boot is inside here, boot configuration. It may look different, but options and the options will be same here. This is the secure boot. Just you need to turn it on, and now secure boot is enabled successfully on my Windows. Secure boot enable. And once you save the changes of secure boot, you just need to click on apply changes, then click on OK. You may have to press F10 on your keyboard if the showing up that option, or save the exit changes, and then you need to click on exit. Now let's open the system information to reconfirm if the secure boot is on or not. You can see here we have successfully enabled the secure boot on our Windows. So this is how guys you can enable the secure boot on our Windows. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.